Aspirin is a drug. It is also called as acetyl salicylic acid. Aspirin is in a group of medications called salicylates. Aspirin, acetylsalicylic acid, is used to reduce pain or inflammation. It shows antipyretic and analgesic properties. It is classified as a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. It works by stopping the production of certain natural substances that cause fever, pain, swelling, and blood clots. Aspirin is also available in combination with other medications such as antacids, pain relievers, and cough and cold medications. It is prepared by using salicylic acid. Salicylic acid reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid gives aspirin and acetic acid as byproduct. Salicylic acid contains two functional groups, carboxylic acid and phenolic hydroxyl group. Acetic anhydride is prepared by dehydration of acetic acid. During reaction, the carbon-oxygen single bond breaks. As oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, both the electron transfer to the oxygen atom creates negative charge on the oxygen, while carbon atom is converted to a carbon cation. CH3CO negative charge and CH3CO positive charge groups are formed. Thus charge creation takes place. The hydroxyl group of salicylic acid liberate proton and generate negative charge on the oxygen. CH3CO negative charge combines with proton to give acetic acid. CH3CO positive charge group, that is acetyl group, combine with negative charge salicylic acid gives aspirin. Sulfuric acid acts as a catalyst for this reaction. The procedure for the preparation of aspirin is as follows. Take supplied quantity of salicylic acid in a clean dry conical flask. Add 4 cubic centimeters of acetic anhydride with stirring. Add 2 to 3 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid and stir well. Heat the flask on a water bath to about 50 to 60 degrees centigrade and stir with a glass rod for about 5 minutes. Allow the reaction mixture to cool and add 50 cubic centimeters of distilled water and shake well. Filter at suction pump and wash the product with water. Dry and weigh the crude product. Recrystallize the product using hot water. Filter, dry the product and determine the melting point of the product.
Calculations. 1. Theoretical yield. 138 g of salicylic acid gives 180 g of aspirin, where 138 is the molecular weight of salicylic acid and 180 is the molecular weight of aspirin. Therefore, 2 gram of salicylic acid gives 180 into 2 divided by 138 gram of aspirin. This is equal to 2.608 gram of aspirin. This is theoretical yield. 2. Percentage yield. Weight of crude product is 2.542 gram. 2.608 gram of aspirin is equal to 2.542 gram of aspirin. Therefore, 100 g of aspirin is equal to 2.542 into 100 divided by 2.608. The percentage yield of aspirin is equal to 97.46.
Please subscribe this channel and press bell icon for notification of new videos.